That's how we start a video. That's how we start a video. What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. And today's video is going to be me doing my hair. And don't ask me why I got this hat on. I just got it on. And don't worry about these tags. Don't worry about that. But today's video, I'm going to be doing my hair. It's going to be 2 puffs with some rubber bands in the front. Y'all see the picture. Y'all know what it is. So, make sure you subscribe, like, and comment that. Let me start over. Make sure you subscribe, like, comment, and make sure
you share my videos, bro.
Make sure, and you know one thing, I need to apologize to y'all.
I'm truly sorry that I haven't posted in 3 weeks. School has started. It's been a lot. I've been getting a lot of homework and just self-promoting. But, I got y'all. I'm not gonna let this, I'm gonna try my best. I'm not making no promises. I'm trying my best to get videos out constantly, okay? Every weekend. Get them out. But, that's not the point of this video.
The point of this video is about me doing my hair. And that's what we're about to do. Let's get straight into the video. We're good now. We're good. So now, look, y'all see the hairstyle now. This is what it's gonna look like, but better, okay? It's gonna look better. But this is what we're trying to replicate. Not replicate. We're gonna do better on doing, because this is old. So I'm gonna take my hair down and I'll get back to y'all, and we're gonna start on doing the rubber bands. Okay? I'll be back with y'all. So I took all of it down. As you can see, my head itches so much. Okay, so but if you're starting just without, without help, so you didn't start out what I did. So first thing, you need to make sure your hair is part is kind of crooked. Okay, that didn't work. That didn't work either. Okay. This a good enough part, okay? So you want to part it all the way down. I just make sure I had a good front part. Now I'm gonna start with my right side. It was, bro. It took. When I was taking those rubber out, it took forever, and it hurt. So a tip. Do not put the rubber bands too tight. And another reason not to put them too tight is because you want to be pulling your edges. Because I know that that's something people might do on accident. So we got one section, we got our side that we're gonna start with. We're gonna start with this side. My hair is old. It's a week old. And I haven't washed it. I usually don't wash my hair until what you call it, in 2 weeks. That's pretty much when I don't wash my hair. And don't worry about these flakes, okay? It's because I need oil on my scalp, and it hasn't been oil. Okay? That's what it is. That's what it is. Because I don't have oil on my scalp. Okay, you see, Okay, that was. The straightest I'm gonna get it for right now, okay? That's the straightest I'm gonna get it. So I got, I'm gonna use one of my scrunchies to pull this section back out the way. Okay, that's out the way. Okay, so first, how many boxes? What the? Y'all see that? Y'all should be able to see that. That's a lot of hair. Gone. We want, let's see, we're going to make up. Okay. First, you want to make one. You're gonna be making 3 rows on each side. Make sure this part is straight, because if this part's not straight, it's just not. No, it's no. It's just no. I'm just gonna adding some of this. This is what I'm adding. Focus. I don't even know if it's focusing or not, but that's what I'm adding. It's called Shea Miracle Bouncy Curls. This. I'm adding this onto my hair. My head hurts so much because I've been tugging on it. I'm hoping. So I'm doing this, adding it to here. Basically right now I'm just adding this to it to get moisture to my hair, because it's been a week since I washed my hair and I haven't added anything since I had this hairstyle. All I added was like some lotion or something like that. Oh, this is what I'm doing. Okay. I'm done added this. Now we want to split this in half. So we're gonna do this. There you go. Y'all see that? Oh, okay. Okay. So on this front one, we want, okay, I don't know what that is. So now I'm about to get some Eco Style gel. This. And I'm about to put it on this so I can hold for the most part. Now, make sure this is holding, this is straight. Okay, now you want to grab, if I can grab it, a Rubberband. And put it on the section. And one thing, make sure it's in the middle. And another thing, make sure it's not tight. Like tight where it's like pulling on your edges. We don't want that. We don't want your edges to be gone after you do this hairstyle. So that's what we want to do here. So basically you're doing this. And I'm gonna be done with this one. This is the last one. Then I'm gonna separate it in half, this bit. In half. Separate it in half. And I'm gonna pull it. Make sure so that get down. You don't want to pull it too much because you don't want to be like on your edges. And yeah, now we'll be adding gel to this one. Add gel to this one. And now we'll be adding. And no, okay, one thing people do is don't put a rubber band on this second one and then put another rubber band to attach it, because that's just too many rubber bands, and then you're gonna be tugging out your hair and everything. So you don't want to do that. So just connect it with one. Like, hold on real quick, I'm trying to fix this. Okay. I'm gonna try to zoom in if I can. I'm hoping I'm in this camera, because if I'm not in this camera, I'm gonna be mad. So you're gonna connect them, and then you're gonna put a rubber band on the top. Make sure I can put this and connect them, and then put a rubber band on it. This is different from what I had before. Mine was crisscrossed. But I don't feel like doing that. Because I feel like this a little bit out of work, you know? So you know what? We're gonna be doing this. We're gonna be doing this all the way down to the head. So I'm gonna show y'all one side, and then once I'm finished with that one side, I'll come back with the other side done, and then we'll do the little puffs, which should be easy if you know how to do that. So I'm gonna get started with this. Hoping y'all can see that. I done finished all of them. So now we're about to do our puffs. So first we want to add water, slick it down. And just brush up. And you also want to get this inside bit too. But this is what you mainly do. And this would just blend. This is just gonna blend these bits right here. And I'm gonna put a little, I'm rushing because my phone is about to die and I'm trying to get this in and show y'all this bit. So I moisturize it by putting some of that Shea Miracle on here after I put the water. I'm about to brush it in some more. It's slicked. And now what I'm about to do, I'm about to grab my 2 scrunchies and put it in the puff. Okay, now just fix the puff the way you want it, and then there you go. You got your one puff. I'm gonna do the same thing to the other side, and we'll come back. Okay, so just wait a little bit. I'm trying to rush because my phone is about to die. Okay, guys, I finished. As y'all can see, I just twisted them up in buns, pretty much. And yeah, that's why I did. Let me fix this camera because I know. Oh my gosh, I know it's crooked. Okay, but this is the final look. I hope you guys like this video. Make sure you subscribe, like, comment, and share. I think that's pretty much it. More videos coming soon, and I'm gonna be more consistent. That's for sure. Yeah, I think that's it. So I hope you guys like this video, and peace.